Welcome back. FIMI too has objected to e-auction methodology for sale of minerals. The Central Coordination Empowered Committee on Mineral Development and Regulation is likely to take a decision on the methodology to be adopted for e-auctioning of minerals following Goa case. According to FIMI, views of mining industries were not considered while deciding methodology for sale of minerals.
Central Coordination Empowered Committee on Minerals Development and Regulation feels that e-auction could be the best option to earn maximum revenues for the state following Goa e-auction case. But Goa government feels otherwise. Mines Minister Manohar Parrikar's remarks on e-auction says it all.
E-auction is not a job of the government in Goan circumstances because there are too many things involved, too many variables.
Now the Federation of Minerals of Industries has also raised an objection to the e-auction methodology. Federation feels that e-auction is not legally possible and it is against fundamental rights. FIMI in its letter to the Central Coordination Empowered Committee says, views of industry not been invited. Industry not given any chance to participate in discussion of committee. No meeting of Mineral Advisory Council in last 8 years. E-auction of iron ore is not legally possible. It is against fundamental rights. E-auction not stipulated in MMDR Act 1957 and against stipulation of lease deed. Rule 27 of Minerals Concession Rules 1960 does not empower state government to conduct e-auction of minerals through third party, that is MSTC. E-auction against dynamics of business and trade. Buyers likely to form consortium. It will not allow sale price to go beyond certain level. Big players may dominate iron ore buying through e-auction. E-auctioning may lead to various operational, administrative and functioning issues.
Iron ore जो असा पळय तो एकदम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सब्जेक्ट. आयर्न आणि मँगनीज ओर पळय तुझे Fe कंटेंट किंवा Mn कंटेंटाचेर खपना. तातून आनीक अल्युमिना आसा, सिलिका आसा, खुबशे तातून हे आहा तत्व आहा, ताका लागून ते डिलिंग मातशें कॉम्प्लिकेटेड जाता. त्या शिवाय लोकल जे प्रॉब्लेम आमी गोंया पळयले पळय ते सुद्दां येता. आतां शेवटीक ते गांववाले बावडे वचून सीएमाच्या दारार बसले, ताका आपली कामां सोडून तांकां अटेंड करचें पडटा. कित्याक शेवटीक ते लोक न्ही हे सगळें करतलो काय सरकार चलयतलो, कितें करतलो?
The e-auction methodology for sale of minerals will jeopardize functioning of the entire iron ore industry and in turn impact iron and steel industry. Federation is of the view that e-auction is neither constitutionally valid nor practical in business world. Reporter Mahesh Khadi with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Anti-narcotic cell has seized drugs worth 55 lakhs at Anjuna and has arrested one woman. Woman named Nelly D'Souza, aged 55, was arrested for possessing LSD and heroin. At Daboli Airport, customs officials seized smuggled gold worth 24 lakhs weighing 948 grams from an air passenger.
It was a day of raid, seizure and arrest for security agencies. On Wednesday, anti-narcotic cell conducted house search and arrested one woman at Grandi Pede at Anjuna for possessing LSD and heroin, all worth Rs 55 lakh.
Staff of anti-narcotic cell police station, led by PSI Sitakant Naik, conducted a house search at Grandi Pede Anjuna on 14 May. And arrested lady Nelly, wife of Andrew D'Souza, aged 55 years, for being in possession of 1860 square shape pieces of LSD paper weighing 22.7 grams and 2 grams of heroin worth Rs 55 lakhs CR has been registered, offence has been registered.
Meanwhile, in yet another search at Dabolim Airport, custom officials seized gold weighing 948 grams from a passenger named Sikandar. He was flying on Air India Goa-Mumbai flight. Gold is worth around 24 lakhs. Omkar Farari and Dishan Paraf for Prudent.
Raya witnessed tension on Thursday noon as locals got agitated at the frequent movement of the overloaded trucks. National highway traffic on Madgaon-Forne route was paralyzed for almost 3 hours. Locals have demanded widening of Raya Kamurli road with proper speed breakers. Maina Kurtori police intervened and brought the traffic to normalcy.
Raya Amora has become an accident-prone zone which has witnessed several fatal accidents in past couple of years. Latest being the overloaded truck accident on Monday which claimed life of a 12-year-old girl and injured 5 others. Locals stopped overloaded trucks. National highway traffic from Margao to Ponda was paralyzed. The demand is to stop movement of overloaded of trucks. The locals have also asked the authorities to widen the road from Raya to Kortalim.
आज पुलिस फोर्स टोटल घेऊन येले लाठीचार्ज करतो पण जे दिसा ऍक्सिडेंट झाला त्या दिसा तेका पुलिस नासले काय तुम्ही कित्या लागलो ट्रॅफिक हाडायले ओव्हरलोडिंग होता म्हणून आणि ते एज पर द दिस थिंग इज नॉट एज पर द नॉर्म्स तेका लागून आमचे हाडायले आणि सकाळी ते चालन दिताले खाली 2 व्हीलर हेल्मेट एकल्या देऊ चालन दिल ना ते पण आज किती झाला सिच्युएशन तो म्हणता आपण मोहन देसाई कोण इन्स्पेक्टर आपण म्हणता आपण घेता ऍक्शन घेता
Mind my words, one day you will see that there will people taking the law in the action and burning one of their trucks. Then you will come to know.
People were stranded on the highway for almost 3 hours. Maina Kurtori police intervened and cleared the road for vehicular traffic. Savio Dice for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.